How to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. In this video, I will show you how can you easily get unbanned from Marketplace of Facebook. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly open your Facebook application and click on the three lines. Scroll below to click on Help and Support and then click on Report a Problem. After that, again click on Continue to report a problem. Then Facebook will direct you to a page where you are supposed to choose the category of your problem. As we have issue with Marketplace, you will choose the option of Marketplace. After that, in the box of Describe the issue, you will need to describe something related to your Marketplace. You can write it on your own or use what I have written here. I have been banned from Facebook Marketplace and request Facebook to fix it quickly. And that's all. After that, when you send it, Facebook will respond to you within few days and your ban will be lifted away from your marketplace. And that's all. That is how easily you can remove ban from Facebook Marketplace. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.